Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to delete resume on LinkedIn. The first thing you do is to head over to linkedin.com using your preferred browser. So I want to use Google. As you can see, I'm using Google browser. So next I'm going to do is I'm going to type in www.linkedin.com. So that's it, www.linkedin.com. In this case, I just type in linkedin.com and then I'm going to sign in. But just in case you click on sign in over here, this is the website. So it's opened up. I'm already signed in actually. The next thing you're going to do is head over to the me icon up here. Click on the me icon. The next thing you're going to click on is settings and privacy over here. As you can see, after clicking on it, opens up this place. We have the left and right. Down the left side over here, you have some options: account preferences, sign activities, visibility, data privacy, advertising data, and notification. You're going to tap on data privacy. And then over here, we have how LinkedIn is your data. So just scroll all the way down until you get to this option, which is the job seeking preferences. Then you click on job application settings over here, job application settings. So you click on it. The next thing you're going to see your resume. This resume already uploaded. Now I want to delete this resume. If I upload another one, I just simply delete it by clicking on the three dots at this corner of the resume. If I click on these three dots, I have two options: delete and download. So once delete says click on delete. If I download it, I still click on download. It all depends on me. So that's it. That is how to delete resume in LinkedIn. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one, which we put up every day. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you next time in the next video.